Okay, here we have the Rf900 once again. For all you bidders out there that are watching and not bidding yet, I wanted to do two more videos. It's a cold start. This baby's cold. It's been sitting for maybe 2 days, 3 days. Just wanted to go through the quick turn-on procedure, if you bear with me here. To neutral. Gonna need 2 hands again. Put on the choke. Make sure this is on. And here we go. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Nothing too difficult. And stay tuned for my video of quick ride.